VegasLoveBug at Yamava, playing at 50 cents on Timberwolf. I did the big 6 spins, and I got the re-trigger of owl times 10 with another owl that paid $250. Wow, and I got two games left, and I get another pick. But this time I'm going to be a little bit more conservative, and I'm doing the middle one. And nothing is happening. Well, where's the multipliers? Come on. There's one. Oh, but it's times 6 queens. Come on. 3 games left. Almost. Yeah! Almost got a whopper if I would have had one more wolf. Okay. Ooh! Times 3 10s. Yeah! I got something. And last game coming up. And that's the end. I got $281 for $5, and I'm gonna play on at $2.50 and take it down to $2.50 and see if anything happens. And not much is happening. Okay. Oh, that would have been nice. That would have been nice too. Taking it down to $2.50. Come on. Okay. Something will happen there. I think this is the last spin. I'm gonna go to $1.50 and take it down to $2.40. exciting. I'm gonna go down to $1 and take it down to $2.30. Come on. Come on. That's enough of that. And I am cashing out at $2.30. VegasLoveBug at Yamava Casino where $5 turned into $2.30.45. Signing off.